What is up, my beautiful people? I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are having a fantastic Sunday. And in fact, if you guys are watching throughout the week from now, I hope you have a happy and productive week. So FELIP has given us some tracks. I'm not sure or certain if it's an album or an EP, but either one of those, I'll be reacting to some of these tracks, right? But my first track that I'll be reacting to, it's called Seven Sin Lost, featured Cyra, Gwynth, official visualizer. In fact, it's my first time knowing of this song or these songs, so stay tuned for more, subscribe for more reactions for the album or the EP. So without further ado, guys, let's take a walk. Let's see if this EP or this album is well written and presented to us properly. I'm from Jamaica, greetings from Jamaica. So without further ado, let's dive in.
I've been on the road, I got no time.
Yo, every time, right, I hear this man's voice, it's relaxing. It's charming. It's so smooth. The concept of his voice is freaking amazing, bro. Trust me.
Looking at your phone and shit. Tryna be mine, but I don't got a lot for you. Admit that you've been on my mind.
Amazing, right? I'm not sure if this is Lost, but I can guarantee that this is not FELIP's voice, bro. FELIP's voice is more calmer, smoother, right? More cuter than this one, but this voice is also amazing.
Might be for the wrong reasons. I've been waiting, send me your location, babe. No worries.
Beautiful song, amazing artist. I mean, like, I would sit and listen to this album if this song lets me to go deeper into let's see, conceptualizing this song, right? So let's continue.
No need to be afraid. Should've lost it, should've been satisfied. Come over, babe. Drop a pin up.
Oh, wow, okay, this is good. This sounds good.
Who's in my ATA? Feeling dressed, ain't got no time to waste.
Well, I guess this is a female coming, right? I think this is Cyra. I want to hear her voice because it's my first time hearing of Cyra and it's my first time hearing of Lost. Okay, so I hope she delivers well.
Wanna have a good time with a bad guy. What I hate about just what I like. Coulda get less, as long as we vibe. Coulda been nice, but you give it mixed signs.
Well, she's delivering beautifully, right? I love this, right? Oh my god, her voice! Yo! Well, look, I'm impressed. I'm really and truly impressed with what I'm hearing of her voice thus far.
Baby, call me, gotta give me time. For me, be here by 9.
Now you got these thoughts, baby, how you
Lyrics is on point, right? And the way how she puts her lyrics together, this music is said to be properly written. I mean, like, her music is not all over the entire place. She's just here in one accord, doing what she must. And I do respect this, bro. Very good. Very, very good.
feel the crazy tension, baby, I'm for real. Been a while, I saw you lying in my bed, I'm still
Amazing. These two sounds really good. I think I'm now becoming a fan of what I'm hearing thus far. This one is good, trust me.
wanting more, so baby, tell me what's the deal. If you want me, come over, babe. Drop a pin up with some ATA.
The melody is perfect. The combination or the collaboration, it's perfect. I mean, like, these two combined together, the melodious sound that is coming from these two, it's freaking dope, right? And to see these guys, right, featuring with FELIP, It's a perfect duet. Trust me.
Just ain't got no time to waste. I'm on my way.
God bless them all, bro. I do like people who showcase a lot of talent, a lot of love in their music, and these two represent love in their music. They're not doing it for clout or people to talk about it. They're doing it because they love of the music. We have artists out there who chase clout so the music could able to reach a lot of people, but once music has an essential thing about it, then eventually it will reach far. And what I'm hearing thus far now, this music will grow onto people. Slowly but surely, it will get there, bro.
Come over, babe. Double pin hours in my ATA. Getting dressed, ain't got no time.
Amazing, bro. Amazing. This seems as if it's a great body of work. Amazing album or EP. I'm not sure, but either one, the body of work is incredible. One thing though, I'm not hearing FELIP yet, but either way, if he doesn't come, I appreciate these two doing the music together, bro. It's really good. For my first time hearing them, bro, I accept it. I accept their trial. I accept their love. Because it's not everyone who collab together give us great music. And once I hear great music, my mind literally blown away.
Looking at your phone, ain't you? Tryna be mine, but I don't gotta laugh at ya.
Well done, guys. Well done. With this, I approve this to be one of the best albums out there.
That you've been on my mind. Come over, babe. Double pin hours in my ATA.
Oh, wow. Book up. That was freaking dope. Each individual here is on point. Oh my god. Bro, keep him coming. I'll now be moving on onto our next track, bro. I'm eager to learn more about our next track, bro. Trust me. I would like to know who wrote these songs, because if these songs are wrote by these two individuals or of FELIP himself, this is a very great storyline and I appreciate it. Gorgeous track, gorgeous artists. Wow, great embodiment of work. Trust me. Gotta say, guys, this was a well presentable album or EP. I appreciate this one. If you guys did and truly enjoy this reaction, leave a like on this video, smash the subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video.